Beginner tutorials. So today's sessions we are going to learn about how to log into Sybase ASE server. Okay, so there is a utility called ISQL. Okay, it's used while logging into the Sybase ASE server. So what you have to do, just consider the example, since I don't have a exact server ready with me, but I do have a command. So with the help of these commands you can easily be able to log in. Okay, so let's consider there is a Sybase server name called as prod Sybase ASE01, and the system administration name is the Alex, or the username is Alex. Okay, so how we are going to log in with the help of this ISQL command. So you can simply give this ISQL space -u username, the system administrator name, then server name, and followed with the width, how much width we required for this. Like usually we give -w999. You can give any random number. Okay, once you press the enter, it will ask you the password for the system administrator. So once you pass the server, once you pass the password, then you will be landed into the server itself. Okay, so first command you can learn is a sp_helpdb. Okay, so this is a command which will give you the all the database details. Okay, with their DB IDs. Okay, what are the DB options are set, what is the size for it, everything informations we can see under the sp_helpdb options. Okay, next command you can use like select name from master star.sys database. So this will give you the only name of a database which are present under the prod Sybase ASE01. Okay, then what you can do, like you can simply have like use master go and sp display login Alex, so you can see what are the roles is having. Okay, for this particular user. Okay, okay, the next is like so now we know like how to log into Sybase ASE server. Okay, so let's consider there is some deployment with DML operations that we need to perform. Okay, so how we can do it? So let's say application team is sending some DML, that is the update, delete, or insert. It could be anything. Once that DML you received, you can simply open the file and can create the file on the server. How to create the file? With the help of, there are various tasks, there are various ways. So let's consider, okay, I'm outside of the server. Okay, and I have received the file. So either I can use touch command, let's say my server name dot, so let's say it's a insert01.sql. okay, so this is my command, this is the file, SQL file. So once you mark enter, so this file will generate. Then you can give chmod +x, so it's like the executable permissions you are giving it, okay, to the file insert01.sql. okay, so once you have a permission, then you can now run these particular DML operations inside the database. So like how we can do it? By using the ISQL utility -u. In this case your username is, let's say, Alex. Okay, the server name is same what we have considered here, Sybase ASE01. okay, then -i as the input parameter we are giving. What we are giving, the file name, that is the insert01.sql. then we are getting the output to record the output for this file. So usually what I follow, like insert01 the file name .sql .out. okay, so this is general. So what is the file name .out I used to give, where you can have the output for the file. Okay, then you can pass the server name. Okay, we already passed server name, and then we can pass the width, or you don't require to have width. Okay, you can simply, if you run this, I'm sorry, it should be ISQL. This is the ISQL. Okay, so once you run this, you will have the output file is generated for your this deployment. So there is various issues might be occurred, like the insert might fail for any of the reasons. You might not have given the database name correctly. Okay, so you need to check and ensure if the database name is not mentioned inside the SQL. So what you need to do, like once you created the file, you can simply open the file, and you can explicit pass the DB name. Okay, use user DB name. I'm just considering that this is the DB name. Okay, and you are the SQL in the same insert the 01.sql file. Okay, or else what you can do, you can simply pass the parameter inside the while doing this iSQL. So you can pass -d and the database name. So in this case my database name is userdb name. Okay, and if you run here, so this iSQL will be executing on this particular userdb name database. Okay, that's it. Thank you.